Hello everyone, welcome to Kids A to Z. Today's topic is keyboard special keys for class 2. At first, kids need to know what are special keys. On a standard keyboard, there are 104 keys and there are 3 types of keys on a keyboard. Alphabet keys, those are used to type letters. Number keys, those are used to type numbers. There are 2 sets of number keys. One set is on the top and the other is on the right side of the keyboard. And there are some more keys on a keyboard to do some specific task. Those are called special keys. Today we will discuss some of the special keys like caps lock, space bar, enter key, shift key, control key, delete key, like that. Caps lock key. We use the caps lock key to type capital letters. Suppose Aditya wants to type his name. He presses the correct alphabet keys. So, the letters appear in small letters. See here in the picture. But the first letter of his name should be in capital letter. So, Aditya presses caps lock key once and the caps lock key is turned on. Then he presses the alphabet A key. So, the capital letter A appears on the screen. See the second picture? Now, he presses caps lock again. So, the caps lock key is turned off. Now, what he types appears in small letters. This is how we use caps lock key. Now, we can also type capital letters without turning the caps lock key on with the help of shift key. Shift key, we can use some keys together to type capital letters, symbols and punctuation marks. For these, we use the shift key along with other keys like shift key plus alphabet key equals to capital letter. We use shift key plus number key to type symbols and shift key plus punctuation key equals to punctuation mark. See the examples. Next is space bar key. Space bar is used to insert space between letters, words, numbers or between sentences. It is the longest key of the keyboard. Enter key is used to move to the next line. There are 2 enter keys on a keyboard. Next is cursor keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. These are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. These are known as cursor keys or arrow keys. Delete key. Delete key is used to erase any typed text on the right side of the cursor. Next is backspace key. Backspace key is also used to erase any text but on the left side of the cursor. Page up key. We use the page up key to move the cursor up and we use page down key to move the cursor down. Home and end keys. We can use the home key to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. See here in this example, the cursor is between M and P. Now, if we press the home key, then the cursor will move to the beginning of the line. Here, we can see the cursor at the beginning of the sentence and we use the end key to move the cursor to the end of a line. Like, for the same sentence, I love computers, we can see the cursor is between letter M and P. Now, if we press the end key, then the cursor will move to the end of the line. Control key is used in combination of other keys to perform some specific task. Alt key is also used in combination of other keys. Like we can close a program by pressing Ctrl, Alt and Delete keys together. By pressing Alt and Tab keys together, we can change between windows that are open on the desktop. We can delete a selected icon permanently from the computer by pressing Shift and Delete keys together. We will learn where to use these key combinations in higher classes. Next is Windows key. We can press the Windows or Win key to open the Start menu. Now a special tip, press the Shift and alphabet keys together to type one or two capital letters. To type more than that, turn on the caps lock key. Now practice time. Here kids need to type as shown on the screen. To do that, kids first need to press and hold Shift key and then need to press number 8 key 4 times to get 4 star symbol. Then need to press the space bar and again press and hold the Shift key, then press number 3 key 2 times to get the hash symbol. Then again space bar. Now they need to press the caps lock once and need to type moral values, MORAL, then space bar, VALUES. Then again need to press the caps lock key to turn it off. Then again space bar, again press and hold the Shift key and press number 3 key 2 times, space bar, then press and hold Shift key and number 8 key 4 times to get 4 star symbol. Then need to press the Enter key. Then for next line, press and hold Shift key and need to press the single quotation key and need to write the text. For that, they need to press and hold Shift key and then need to press R alphabet key to get capital R. Then need to type the text respect, then space bar, your, space bar, parents, space bar and again space bar, then elders, full stop, and at the end they need to press and hold the Shift key and the single quotation key to get the double quotation mark. So in this way they need to use the special keys. In my next video I will share worksheets related to keyboard special keys. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.